in the house. Well, I'm here right now at Dr. Wine here in Poblacion with my best friend here, Erwin, in the house. Hey, Erwin. Did you enjoy our Japanese club a while ago? You did. No? And now we're enjoying more because we're with beautiful ladies. We're with beautiful Russian ladies in the house. Hi, Natasha. How are you?
Hi, I'm very good.
Yeah, and happy birthday to you. Yeah. Well, how do you say happy birthday in Russian?
С днем рождения.
Rashdinya.
Yes, с днем
Natasha.
рождения.
Rashdinya. Yeah. And Sam. Hi.
Hello.
Well, do you have an Instagram where they can follow you?
Yeah, yes.
It's what's your Instagram?
I can take you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She can read to you, like take to you, and
Okay. And also Natasha, right? You have your Instagram also.
Yes.
Actually, I only vlog beautiful ladies in the Philippines.
My Instagram very easy. It's
Very
not
easy.
a vital.
It's what?
Look like love. It's not a vital.
Not a vital.
Not a vital.
Not a
It's like
Vital.
my Natalia. It's
Natalia,
my name.
yeah.
And Vitalina, it's my father's name. In
Oh.
Russia, we use just two names. Natalia Vitalina. Last name we don't use.
Ah, okay. So Natalia Vital.
Yeah.
Only.
Not a vital.
Okay.
Yes, little bit.
So, how do you find the Philippines?
What?
How do you find? It's your first time in Manila,
We
right?
live, yes. First time. Yes, it's our first time.
Yeah.
We live in Korea, and we know that it's Filipina. In Korea, it's like close friends.
Yeah, I
And
know.
a lot of people to travel here. And
Yeah.
we just want to check.
Have you ever tasted the Filipino?
We just today arrival. We'll talk to you a little later.
Yeah. And actually, me, I haven't tasted any Russian yet. Russian dish.
Russian, it's borscht.
It's what?
Borscht.
Borscht. Is it very spicy?
It's, no, we have not in Russia spicy.
Uh-huh.
I don't like spicy.
Oh, you don't like it. But borscht is like what? Very
Soup.
yummy.
It's very yummy.
Very yummy, just like you girls only.
Beet soup. Beet.
Oh yeah.
It's not a lot of people like, oh, borscht is good. But I'm from Russia, and for me it's
Okay.
best.
So again, would you like to give your Instagram so they can follow you, my viewers?
Sure, sure.
It's Natal Vital, right?
Nata Vital.
Natal Vital.
Yes.
And yours is
It's Jana Jenna.
Jana Jenna. We have Jana, we have Natasha, and it's a pleasure meeting you, ladies. And you, and you're hot as hell. Holy Mary, Mother of God, damn, you're hot as hell. Thank you, ladies.
Thank you too.
Thank you.
Very glad to be in your YouTube.
Yeah. How do you say flying kiss in Russia?
Поцелуй маму. It's our joke.
Grazie.
No, but поцелуй мою руку.
Uh-huh. Thank
Like
you.
this.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
Thank you. Okay. Ano, Erwin? Enjoy ka ba?
Oo, sobra.
Sobra. Enjoy ka ba?
Thank you.
Para sa iyo itong ngayong gabi na ito, man. Ha? Kaya meron ka pang take home na Russian. Only. What? Excuse me, hi, hello. What's your name, my friend? Sarah. Sarah Duterte? No. Sarah what? Gonda. Holy Mary, Mother of God. Damn, Sarah. You're hot as hell. God damn. I love the drip. Okay, so Sarah, who are you modeling for right now? Who are you modeling for right now? Photon. And then this is the band? How much is the band? Only? Oh, okay. Where are you from? Are you Filipina? I love your eyes. You know what? You look like an anime. Yeah. I'm not kidding. Like Sakurako? Yeah. I love the drip. Okay. So question. Do you have any Facebook page or IG where they can follow you?
Yes. You can follow me on IG or my Facebook. My name is Sarah Macon.
Sarah.
Sarah B. Gonda.
How do you spell that?
S-A-R-A-H. And then my surname is Gonda. So G-O-N-D.
Gonda. Okay, so Sarah, pleasure meeting you. Can you be my BFFB now? Oh, yeah? You know what's BFFB, right? Best friend forever. With benefit. Thank you, Sarah. God damn, honest hell. Holy. Excuse me, hi, hello. What's your name, my friend? Ari?
Yeah.
God damn, you're hot as hell, Ari, and I love the drip. Yeah, so Ari, what's your drip for the day? Who are you wearing and what are you wearing right now? Uh-huh. God damn. I love the drip, you know. Doesn't matter. So pretty and so hype. And Holy Mary, Mother of God, you made my day. Thank you, Ari. Stay hype. God damn, what the fuck? Holy. Hi, Jen. Alam mo, kahit na busy ka, hot na hot ka pa rin. Bakit ganun?
Wala lang, sir.
Oh, pero question, Jen.
Yes.
Saan mo na ako tong pusi mo?
Sa labas, sa streets.
Talaga? So, ano to? Pusakal ba to, kumbaga?
lang siya.
So, nakuha mo siya, ano siya? Kitten pa lang siya?
Yes. Days old.
Okay. Social na social. Sarap naman ng pusi mo. Tabing-tabi sa'yo, oh. Pakipet. Napipet mo ba siya? Rinescue mo siya? You can pet your pussy. Oh, yeah. So, that's how you... So, okay. Doon na sa mga hindi marurunong mag-handle ng cat. How do you pet a pussy?
How do you pet them?
Yeah.
No.
Hindi, di ba kasi minsan pag...
Treat mo lang sila like your family.
Okay.
As in, love.
Hindi, pag hahawakan mo, if you're going to pet them, like, if you want to pet this pussy, how will you pet this pussy? Like, saan mo siya hawakan?
Dito lang.
Dyan lang. So, that's how you pet the pussy. Oh. Papakita ko sa ganyan. Oh. So, yan That's from Jen Specs Corner. Thank you, Jen.
Thank you.
Stay hype. God damn, yummy. Only. What the fuck? O yan guys, yung mga flores ni mga bading. Galing. The fuck? Pwede na yung sa palok. Flores ni mga bading. Ayan o. The fuck? Lubat na ako. Galing o. Galing. Flores ni mga bading. Ding! Hey. Ayan o. Mga hybrid EV. So, ayan o. Init o. Ate. Galing o. Mga hybrid guys. Hello. Ding. Meron pa o. Galing. Hindi ka baka maagang cellphone ko rito. Reyna Elena. Ate! Hey! Nana. Sampalo. Ninong, Don Ramon, matagal ko na po kayong gusto makilala at makausap dahil po idol ko po kayo. Hi friend. Hi Erica, my name is Maverick. God damn! You're hot as hell, Erica. Ba't hindi ka na nakasabay dito sa Batang Quiapo?
Kailan?
Kakatapos ko lang kasi. Last night ka na nag-start. Anong karakter mo dito sa Batang Quiapo? Init mo naman. Sexy girl.
Delata.
Balita ko, girlfriend ka daw ni Long. Long, girlfriend mo ba siya?
Yung friend ko, girlfriend.
Ay, friend niya. Ikaw wala ka pa.
Wala ka ba number ng friend mo? Asa na?
Nasaan yung number ng friend mo? Wala.
Di ba meron? Wala.
Ay, Erica. So, gusto mo ba, tapos ka na ba mag-aral? Gusto mo mag-aral ulit? Mag-aralin kita, Assumption. O gusto mo masters ka na lang sa AIM, Asian Institute of Management.
Pagod na ako mag-aaral.
Pagod ka na ba? O. Ikaw na lang display. Alam mo, ikaw na lang kulang ko sa condominium ko eh. Ikaw na lang kulang na furniture. Di ba lang, no?
Siya lang gulong na furniture, di ba? Alam mo, walang gagawin sa yung katulong, kundi pagpagang ka lang. Tapos paggabi, siguro papaliguan kita. Pag wala akong magawa, di ba alam, pwede ba yun? Pwede. Yung Erica. Ito, mainit din. Hi, hello. What's your name?
Zipos.
Ha?
Z.
Zipos. Okay lang guys ha, popost ko sa YouTube ko to.
Anong pangalan?
Maverick Only.
Maverick?
Oh, hindi ba kilala? Artista rin ako. Artista din ako. Oo.
Familiar po.
Familiar ba? Oo. Na-try mo na ba mag...
Kikis ako eh. Bulog na eh. Kikis ako sa kanila.
Ah, kikis ka ba? Di, sige, kiss ka na. Hindi, kiss mo na kasi nakakaya naman kay Long. Alam, best friend ko yan eh. Hindi na, yung manipis lang, di ba? Na-try mo na ba magkaroon ng boyfriend na artista? Hindi pa. Gusto mo try? Eh, si Long oh. Sige, thank you Eric. Ano ba Facebook page mo para ma-follow ka nila?
Rix po.
Ha?
Instagram.
Instagram. How do you spell it?
RICS.
R-I-C-S?
CS. ZZS.
ZZS. Oh, sige. And you? Your Instagram? Facebook?
Zikay Ira po. ZKYERA.
Zikay?
Dapat may ganyan yun, no?
Oo. Para hindi ako magkamali. Ano?
ZKY.
E-R-A.
Dapat may ganyan na lang.
Thank you girls. Only. God damn, mainit. What the? Ate, magkano itong mga Maserati mong relo? How much? Ha? Dito ka ate kasi dual cam ako eh. Dito ka. Ito. Meron ka bang Daytona? Pwede naman sa mayaman to, di ba?
Naman po.
Oh, pwede, di ba? Welcome mo, baka may mayaman dito bumili.
Oh, naman
Welcome naman, di ba? Oh. So, magkano itong mga Maserati mo?
Nag-range po siya ng nasa 19,000 to
19,000?
Yes, sir.
But I heard may sale ka daw today.
Yes, sir. 40% discount po.
40% discount? Talaga?
Yes, sir.
Pero, nagbibigay naman kayo ng giveaway pag bumili, di ba? Magkano itong Daytona na yun? Yung gusto ko yung Daytona na parang tutong.
19,980, sir. 40% off. Nasa 11,000 plus.
Okay? So, pag bumili ba ako ngayon, pwede siya na lang yung giveaway? Hi, hello. What's your name?
Hi everyone, I'm Yvonne Oreso.
Hi, Yvonne. Yvonne, you look familiar. Are you an actress or something?
Before, nung bata ako, but now...
Talaga? You were a child actress? Parang si Nino Mulak?
Before sa gym.
Oh, talaga? Wow. So pretty naman. Ikaw ba model ng Maserati? Bagay na bagay sa'yo dito.
No, sana nga eh, di
Di ba?
ba? Char.
Yeah, and I love your shoes, ha?
Manifesting.
You're wearing Prada, oh. Nakita ko, tama, di ba? Prada na... That's loafers,
Loafers,
di ba?
yeah.
Oh, ganda naman ng drip mo. I like your drip. Can I ask you what's your drip for today?
My trip for...
What are you wearing and who are you wearing right now?
I'm wearing myself.
Yourself. Your
I wanna-
beautiful self.
Yes.
And then?
Wala akong inspo kasi I'm the inspo.
Yeah, you are. Di ba? Ang ganda.
I'm the inspo.
That's Prada, your shoes, and then your skirt are from?
I don't know. I think I bought it from Bangkok.
Oh, yeah, you
And
did.
then this is
Ganda.
from Paton.
For Patton. I love it. Very nice. Only. And then I love the bag. Chanel ba yan?
MCM.
MCM.
And a
Okay.
clever.
Wow. Okay. So, you have your own page, right?
Yeah, I do have. You can follow me at Yvonne Aresu _ sa lahat. TikTok.
Yvonne what?
Yvonne Aresu.
Yvonne Aresu. How do you spell Aresu?
A-R-E-S-U. It's
A-R-E-S-U.
It's an Italian.
Oh, Italiana.
I'm half Italian.
Oh, you are. Guadalajara?
Lo soy parlare.
See?
Ah,
Okay.
I was born there.
Yeah, you were. Kaya pala, ang ganda mo. Para mga Alessandra De Rossi ang mga dating mo eh.
Sana nga.
Yeah. So again, what's your Facebook page?
Yvonne Aresu.
Yvonne
Sa lahat,
Aresu.
TikTok, Instagram.
Yeah.
Lahat. Sa lahat. Sa YouTube.
Okay.
Everywhere.
Yeah, and thank you for the interview. Ah.
Yeah.
I love the
Thank you so
drip.
much.
Hi, Yvonne. Stay
I
hype.
like your drip also.
Ah, yeah, I'm just wearing my kilt.
I have that also.
Oh, you do? Oh,
Yeah, I'm
that's
a
good.
sneaker collector.
Oh, you have Travis Scott also? Na reverse mocha?
Yeah.
Okay.
Every color.
Every color. God
Pwede
damn.
mga bagong ay wala.
Dapat.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Sana.
I'll message you, okay?
Yeah.
And then hopefully we can like do a collab.
Yeah,
Yeah, di ba?
Hopefully.
Sige. Nice to
Very
meet you, Yvonne. Ah.
Yeah, nice
Make
to
sure
meet you.
hot as hell. Only what? God damn. Only. Still here at the toy convention here at SMX. It's the third day. It's Sunday. There you can see a very big Voltes 5 balloon. And here right now we have Jet Madela, one of the
celebrity visitors here for Funko Pop. Lapitan ko lang. Ayan. So, marami nagpapapicture yan, no? Mga sila kuya. At syempre, nakita natin kulala tayo. Jed! Ayan.
Thank you very much.
Teka. Jed Madela in the house. How are you, Maverick? Kamusta ka na, brother? Ha?
I'm good.
Good. Well, di ba, collector ka rin naman ng, di ba, ng mga toys.
Yes.
Particularly, ano ba kino-collect mo?
Of course, Funko.
Aha.
It all started with Funko and now everything. I collect
Everything.
toys.
Do you do hot toys also?
Yes.
Do you do the mech robots, everything? Yung
Yes.
panahon natin, Voltes 5, Mazinger Z.
Lahat.
Hey, man, it's good to see you, man. Eh. Like the drip, man.
Thank you.
Oo, tapos na ba yung concert mo?
July 5, Music Museum.
Okay, see you. Jed, ha? Thank you, brother. Bye.